Heavy flooding in Lucea. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A section of a roadway in Hanover capital Lucea has been flooded as a result of heavy downpour of rain, which lashed a section of the western parish on Thursday afternoon. The high rise in waters along a section of the roadway caused a long backup of traffic from Waterloo Road leading into the hub of the town. Only heavy-duty vehicles could maneuver through the flooded roadway. Some pedestrians had to be ferried across the water in small boats operated by residents for a fee. Business along the stretch of roadway were also halted as a result of the flooding. Links 007 TV will track this story and provide more information to come on this. Thanks for watching.